on a scale of 1 to 10, how good a driver are you?
I'm like about 7 or 8.
Anna?
Yeah.
Even in Hyderabad roads.
I've driven in Bangalore, no?
Achha.
I'm a Bangalore driver. So, Hyderabad roads, matlab, in what sense? Difficulty level or traffic level or
Difficulty level
people's
and
driving
attitude,
sense?
yeah.
Attitude. Oh my God, please. Your Hyderabad traffic is saint traffic.
See, Avuna,
Yeah.
Bangalore to compare yourself.
Yeah, what are you saying?
I
You
think-
can see like people hopping on footpath and all. Two-wheelers are always on footpath. Duck, 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 duck. Full war will be happening over there. Full one Bahubali will be happening on the road whenever.
నువ్వెవరికైనా డాష్ ఇవ్వడం కానీ లేకపోతే నీకెవరైనా డాష్ ఇవ్వడం కానీ జరిగిందా అంటే ఇప్పుడు
Matlab
కాదు
hitting, huh?
యా హిట్టింగ్
Never happened, you know. I've never touch wood. Can we
Wow.
like not send it out to the universe?
వావ్
Because I've been like very nice on the road.
నభా నటేష్
Yeah.
మీనింగ్ ఏంటి
Nabha actually means the sky in Sanskrit.
ఓ వావ్
So if a poet want to describe sky as beautiful, he says Nabho Mandala. So it actually means the sky in Sanskrit. Second meaning to it is it's a combination of my dad's and mom's name. So Na comes from Natesh,
Uh-huh.
which is my second name.
రైట్
Bha is Bhagya, Bhagya Lakshmi, which is my Amma's name. So
Balu
it's
Shetty.
Nabha.
నైస్
Yeah.
బ్యూటిఫుల్
There's so much of recharging to do now, Samir. Like you have to recharge your OTTs, you have to recharge your phone, your fast. So many
Do you
recharging.
Netflix
Like-
కానీ Amazon కానీ do you use it on your own?
I have all the OTT platforms, and you know one more thing, all my friends, all my brothers, cousins, and all use my account.
Nice. You're that person.
I am that person,
Nice.
and that person in the family who buys everything been used for this thing, and my devices lock me only out sometimes because it's been used in multiple devices, and when I turn it on, it's like, you've been locked out. I'm like, I call everybody like, Arey, who all are using my stuff? I want to watch. After a long day of work, I want to just come and sit with some sitcom or something with my food, which is also bland. Then I'm locked out and people don't answer. Then I'm like, crap.
buy it.
I'm gonna, something I do, like, figure it out.
Darling.
Yes. 19th July.
Yeah, 19 July, darling, Darshi, you and the tweets and all that. Fantastic, mind-blowing. కానీ నాకు I want to know generalగా as Nabha,
Yeah.
as a woman, నాకు tell me this. All the men have this single complaint of women changing after marriage.
Yeah.
It's like, మా భయపడుతూ ఉంటారు. Why does that happen? What is your observation
See,
personally?
I don't know. I'm not. I don't have experience in being a wife, or why changing happens and all that.
But did you notice this? All your male friends getting afraid of their wives? లేదు వెళ్ళాలి ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాలి ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాలి ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాలి. Because my friends do that.
Really?
Yeah. అంటే their call I know. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరం కూర్చుంటాం
I
వైఫ్ కాల్
don't
చేస్తుంది.
actually hang out with a lot of married people for some reason.
Good.
I
వెరీ గుడ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అన్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసారో లేదో నాకు తెలియదు కానీ ప్రపంచంలో ఇన్ని జీవరాశుల్లో ఫ్లోరా అండ్ ఫోనా యానిమల్స్ ఇన్ ఆల్ ద యానిమల్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ ద ఫ్లోరా అండ్ ఫోనా
Yeah.
మేల్ స్పీషీస్ ఆర్ ద గుడ్ లుకింగ్ వన్స్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఇన్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్
Yeah. That's. Oh, is it?
యా సి పీకాక్ ఉంది కదా నెమలి
Mm.
ఆ కురివిప్పి నాట్యం చేసేది మేల్ నెమలి నాట్ ద ఫీమేల్
Yeah. 100%. Yeah.
అండ్ యూ సీ అ లయన్
So, but no, it is the same, you know, like that comes in beauty or whatever. Even as a human being, as human beings, male have to kind of establish different strengths to attract women.
రైట్
They have to be like super stable financially or like strength wise, mentally, physically,
Right.
and you know, a lot of other things because women will only get impressed if you are like full package.
కరెక్ట్
So male power, I actually feel really kind of soft corner for you guys that you have to do a lot of things to
Thank
kind
you.
of
Thank you.
have that, and generally also you guys have this like, oh my god, like, oh family meeting, you have to have that strength to kind of go and like have that kind of what do you say, like, well, stabilization in the society to take care of everybody and all that.
ఇట్లా
So, yeah,
it's
I
not
mean, like,
easy being a male in India.
Or it's not easy being a human being or any kind of organism in this in this planet.
ఇట్లా మగ పుట్టుక పుట్టిన
Everybody-
తర్వాత ఇత ఫుల్ ప్యాకేజ్ అయితే తప్ప
Everybody has to work to survive. Survival of the fittest.
No, my takeaway is
And I can talk about women also. Women
Right,
also
tell
have to
me.
like kind of, we have to work really hard. We have to have that kind of emotional strength to support men to kind of do
What they do.
everything. And on top of it, got to figure out how to, how to satisfy our own, what do you say, like why we are here. And that's a different fight altogether, right?
right,
Everything basic has to be taken care,
right.
and on top of it, we need to figure out a way to come and do our own things and prove to the world that we can take care of ourselves and our businesses, or why like our goals, or ambition and everything. If women are ambitious, it's a lot of work.
Right. So I saw this reel on Instagram where
Yeah.
where a 30-year-old male is saying this. Okay, అరే ఐఎమ్ ఫైన్ బీయింగ్ అ హౌస్ హస్బెండ్ నా
Oh.
పిల్లల్ని సంపాదించి ఇంటికి వచ్చి నేను చూసుకుంటే నేను హ్యాపీగా
Wow.
ఇంట్లో ఉండి పిల్లల్ని చూసుకుంటా, బట్టలు వేస్తా, స్కూల్కి పంపిస్తా, అన్నం వండి పెడతా, ఐ కుక్ టేస్టీ ఫుడ్.
Yeah.
ఇట్లా ఎవరైనా అమ్మాయి ఉంటే రండి అని చెప్పేసి.
Yeah.
వాట్స్ యు టేక్ ఆన్ ఇట్?
Oh, that's good only. Whatever they want in life.
Do you think women are?
Whatever you want to do
Do you
in
think
life, there's
women?
nothing.
Do you think women are up to this task where they'll be fine with this idea?
I have no idea.
Will you be?
I have no idea.
Will you be?
I have not thought about it actually. Or actually to speak. See, you're talking to a girl who's had like a super hit in 2019 and followed by 2 years of pandemic and two years of sabbatical.
Correct.
My least of worry is men, women, child, children, grandfather, this thing. My least of worry is like how am I going to come and what kind of content I'm going to bring to the audience where to my full potential. That's the whole thing
Gamut.
going on in my head right now because
Nice.
yeah,
Your focus is very singular.
very.
I want to do
lot.
work that is great.
Yeah,
Simple
yeah.
work greatly.
No, great work greatly.
At the end of the day,
Yeah.
we are super ambitious. We do a lot of things. We
Yeah.
manage. We struggle. We hustle, and all that for what? End of the day, you go back. You want to do
I
what?
had this question.
Sit, Netflix and chill. Eat good food. Sit with Amma. చక్కగా ఆవిడకి చాయో కాఫీ పెట్టేస్తే ఒళ్ళో కూర్చొని కబుర్లు
No, but if you
చెప్పుకుంటూ.
do it for a long time, you'll get bored now. That's the nature of human being. Now, you have to always keep moving towards excellence. That's what our species is about. That's why we are like standing as a dominant species on the planet.
Right.
When we arrived, we were like as same as any other species. We were
Right.
small. How did we grow into this dominating species in the world? Is because our basic nature is to move
Excel
towards
every
excel
single
and
day.
grow.
Right. What is the new thing that you've learned because of movies? Or new thing or new things? సినిమాల వల్ల సినిమాల
I've
కోసం
learned to
నేర్చుకున్నా.
ride a horse, and
Oh, wow.
yeah, my first ever movie in Canada, I learned to ride a horse. I smoked a BD.
Acha, tell me how do
I
you
smoked
hold?
like a proper BD.
Tell me how do you hold a BD? No.
Then, oh, like that.
Ah,
Yeah,
correct.
yeah. I've
Correct.
forgotten, yes.
So BD అంటే
Like that. I've loved cinema as a child. I told you about my grandfather. He was a stage actor, and he was a businessman plus farmer, and he absolutely loves movies. And then I lived with my grandparents when my brother was born. Okay.
Okay.
So 1 year or 2 year I just spent in their house, and during that time I just sat with my grandparents, my Ajji Tata in the middle, me watching all kind of movies, all
Right.
Kannada films, including black and white films. All
That
of
was close.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
This is problem. And then I just did that, and I loved films. Can you believe my hometown does not even have theater?
Oh.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Shringeri
doesn't have.
It's a temple town కదా.
It's a temple town, and growing up, we used to have these theaters, but like not this kind of theaters where family can go and all that.
Oh.
They were very like, like that.
Just for the sake of it.
Kufiana kind of a zone where everybody, all of these people who go towards the end of the day after finishing work, that
Right.
zone. my when like even during the summer holidays, when I used to go to my granny's place, which is Shimoga and Bhadravati, that's when I used to watch a lot of films because there used to be a lot of theaters.
Right.
And I'm from a temple town which is like super rich in culture. It is an 18th century built temple by Shankaracharya. We have great, amazing architecture and a lot of, cultural stuff happening.
Mm-hmm.
And I was just into too much of this,
Right.
too much of cultural activities, like a lot of creative stuff. So somehow I trained myself, I feel,
Mm-hmm.
for this beautiful
So
career.
without consciously knowing it, your
Yeah.
circumstances, the way that you've grown up,
Yeah,
ఇవన్నీ shape చేసినాయి.
yeah,
to become
yeah.
what you are today.
Yeah. And I love movies. Like I love movies. Even if I'm not in it, I love to just like watch movies. So
Acha, what's your Instagram bio?
a strange mind voyaging through a mind voyaging through strange seas of thought.
That's very deep.
Yeah.
Are you a very deep person, or you're like
I'm a
sometimes very deep, sometimes very silly?
I'm always a deep person. I've always been a deep person. My brother says that, bro, you are like a 60-year-old born baby. Like I think he says that you have like a 60-year-old soul as soon as you were born. Because I can talk to anybody, any age group. Like give me like 2-year-old baby, I can do time pass entire day. 70-year-old person, I can sit and talk to them all day.
Nice. The most intimate way of showing something is like showing their playlist. Okay, and you can judge a person by his playlist.
My
Or
playlist
his or her.
can go from the massy to classiest classy.
You know there is a term called tractor playlist. Tractor
Really?
songs.
What is tractor songs?
So tractor songs are the songs మనం పొలంలో లేకపోతే ఊర్లలో వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు
Oh.
డెక్కు పెట్టి ట్రాక్టర్ల మీద లేకపోతే ఆటోల్లో వచ్చే పాటలు ఉంటాయి కదా, అవి రెగ్యులర్ మాస్ సాంగ్స్ ఉండవు, ఐటమ్ సాంగ్స్ ఉండవు. దే ఆర్ అ డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్.
Okay.
దే ప్లే ఒసే రాములమ్మ సాంగ్స్ సడన్లీ,
Okay.
లేకపోతే దే ఎంజాయ్ నీ పాదం మీద పుట్టుమచ్చనే చెల్లెమో, దీస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సాంగ్స్.
I don't know these songs, but sounds like fun.
Okay, let's take a look at your playlist. Can you play for us?
Devara. Deva. I don't know the full lyrics.
I know the hook. తుమ్మే ధైర్యము జాగ్రత్త దేవరమంత.
My favorite part comes now.
అచ్చా,
Devara.
that's like you saying yeah.
So when I'm driving all by myself, the music is like that.
Like
I'm
this.
like that. Devara.
Dirty mind check అని చెప్పేసి.
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you a word.
Okay.
Okay, and you have to give me the other half of that without being dirty. Gang is a word. 10 seconds. 10.
Gangs of Wasipur.
Okay, fair enough. Rough.
Road.
Okay. Casual.
Habits.
Wow, not bad. Blow.
Your mind.
Holy.
Cow.
Oh wow.
What?
Wow.
I told you I'm a very politically correct person.
But ఇచ్చిన టైం చాలా తక్కువ and you not been briefed about it కదా.
Yeah.
Oh, nice,
No
yo.
need. I'm in life also I'm very politically correct.
See, మిగతావన్నీ ఓకే కానీ హోలీకి మాత్రం నేను చిట్టనే అంట. Did your parents ever hear you talking or swearing?
Once.
Cuss words? Oh, no?
Once.
Okay. Okay, tell me about it. What happened?
I got like one look of my life from my father.
Oh,
Like that.
I believe time changes everything, for
Yeah.
good or for bad.
Yeah.
And you've
Yeah.
got 2 years of time.
Yeah.
You could have done wonders with that time, or you could
Yeah.
have simply sit idle.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
wanted to know,
Yeah.
your injury time,
Yeah.
what did you do? What did you learn? And how did that change you as a person?
Okay. So what happened to me was that as soon as my injury happened, people know about my story before the injury. I mean, before all of this, because I was still making a lot of movies.
Right.
But for me, 2019 was my biggest hit
Correct.
of my career.
Right.
And then post that, there was 2 years of pandemic.
Right.
Generally what happens when an artist start their career, when they have like the huge hits only, they'll have access to good kind of projects which is happening in the market.
True. True.
We will get access to that.
True.
And that's why at least me, who come to the industry purely on basis of to do good work, I've always just wanted to be in a great project, do like crazy characters and learn from people and all of that. Post that 2 years is where the industry was shut.
Right.
And I still had 3 projects. I was a girl who signed a couple of new projects sitting at home during pandemic.
Mm-hmm.
And then mine was the first movie to release after first lockdown, Solo Brother Ki So Better.
Right.
Mine was the first hit of the country.
Right.
We beat the Wonder Woman.
Right.
And all of that. But post that, I met with an accident. What happens to you is that when you meet with an accident, I was like in a zone like, oh my god, what is happening with me?
Mm-hmm.
I have a huge hit and there is
A lot of opportunities.
unexpected, a lot of opportunity, but unexpected shutdown of the whole world has happened,
Right.
which is not my mistake.
Right.
And then everything is sorted on Kosariki. I met with an accident,
Right.
and it was like a zone, like I can't let my injury affect my work.
Absolutely.
So I just started pushing myself.
Hmm.
First thing I started doing is that, like, once I kind of started dwelling in the sorrow that, like, oh, nothing, like, oh, what is happening with my life and all that. I obviously, you go into that zone, like, and like, you know, start eating and like
Right.
doing unhealthy, you know, sleeping and all
Right.
that. You know,
Right.
that general
Right.
stuff. I don't have to tell people know about it.
Right.
Everybody's talking about it on Instagram.
Right.
So first thing I did is like, see, when you decide to change now,
Hmm.
that is a different ball game.
Correct.
You know for the fact that you need to fix this,
Hmm.
but you want it to be changed tomorrow,
Right.
which does not happen.
Right.
That's what I realized. The first thing I started doing is that let me fix my sleep cycle.
Hmm.
For almost 3 to 4 months, I've just focused on sleeping early, waking up early and hitting the gym.
Right.
That's what I did. That's all I did, and I read a couple of books which was just kind of helping me become stronger and like yielding me into doing better on a daily basis.
Do you remember the names of the books?
A lot of books. I think one book which could change everybody's life is the 5 AM Club. Couple of books because it was just like a guide to, you know, getting your mind space better.
Right.
The first book, which is an amazing book, I would recommend it to everybody. It's called the 5 AM Club. Guys, it is not just about waking up early. That's what I thought.
That's what I think too.
No, it is
That's
not.
the biggest problem.
It is
no?
not. It's not. It is
Okay.
not. You know what? I bought this book like about before this thing 5-6 years ago
Mhm.
because I wanted to get up early. That's why
Right.
I bought that book and I didn't read it.
Right. Obviously.
I didn't read it.
We all do that.
Nobody wants to wake up at 5 o'clock because I definitely do not want to.
Hmm.
So I started doing that, and once I started hitting the gym and started doing weight training is when I started becoming stronger, because on a daily basis I'm moving something.
Right.
Like today I'm lifting 2 kgs, like tomorrow probably 2.5. It's still like 1% of
Absolutely.
improvement, and I started doing better with my shoulder and everything. So, and I did a lot of self-reflection, and I'm a painter. I do a lot of
Wow.
artistic stuff. So I just involved myself into a lot of creative process during those times.
What's your love language?
My love language. My
You
love
have-
language.
Yeah.
Lot of them. But I think currently like sending memes.
So,
Because memes are also showing so much love for me. Like whenever I have like some kind of a thought or whatever, that pops up in my feed.
kada?
Yeah.
Memes understand us better than our friends do at a lot of times.
Could be, man.
I
Could
feel
be.
I feel memes reflect my inner self, darkest desires better
Than human beings. So
Yeah.
do you think we should start loving memes and people?
I think.
వద్దు వద్దే వద్దు మనకి జనాలు.
So you're actually that kind of girl, like solo breath ke so better kind of a girl.
Yes, man, I'm super single, super happy.
And by choice, you like it.
By choice.
Not because you had a bad breakup or something.
By choice. Because I feel like being single is a superpower. It's like a superpower where you can just like go to sleep.
Did you say guru?
No. What?
Because Bangalore people do that. Hey, beda guru, beda.
Guru, Macha, Mama, Bob,
Maga.
Bob is also running a lot in
Bob?
Bangalore. Bob.
Telugulo Bob ante Mahesh Bob.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Babu, na.
Yeah, on Twitter lo they refer to him as Bob.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. In Bangalore, we call each other, hey, what, what, mama? Sumne tale tinbada, mama, and all that.
What's your favorite biryani place? Do you like biryani?
I love biryani.
Nice. What's your favorite biryani place in Hyderabad?
Oh God! Oh, this Cafe Bahar or something somewhere, biryani. A couple of my friends made me eat. I was like, wow, because I've been on a diet forever.
Right.
And then probably I don't know. Like, what is yours?
Depending upon my mood. If it's the evening, then I like mutton biryani from Nawab's.
How does it make a difference, evening or morning?
So every typical Hyderabadi biryani place has its own distinctive flavor. The
Okay.
masala and the kind of pieces.
Okay.
And how hungry
Kind of
I am.
pieces.
Yeah, the kind of pieces, how they're
Alright,
dumped and all that. I'm very particular about that.
Okay. Wow,
so
you're very particular about that.
yeah.
Hyderabadis are very particular about the pieces.
Yeah.
Remember, guys, for me it is like whatever, biryani.
ఇప్పుడు మనం ఓ ప్రాపర్ ప్లేస్ లో మంచి దోశ తినాలంటే 100 రూపీస్ అవుతుంది.
Okay.
You spend 100 more, you get biryani.
Oh,
So
like
that's
that.
that's how Hyderabadis look
Dosa
at.
is not to be spent on like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
can't.
Yeah,
Hyderabadis
I
look
love
at food that way.
Yeah.
You go to a place, 100 rupees dosa, 200 rupees Mehfil ka biryani.
Oh, like that.
Let's eat biryani.
Mehfil ka biryani is good.
Mehfil ka biryani is amazing. Mehfil ka
That
biryani is
is what's
amazing.
happening.
If you want mutton biryani, then Nawab's is amazing.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, Nawab's is near.
I like Four Seasons mein what is that? Kabza.
Kabsa laham.
Oh, it's amazing, man. It's like mild and like nice
but-
piece,
Oh yeah,
for you.
correct.
tender.
But you have to
Leg
try.
piece.
You have to try this amazing mutton curry and biryani, and with their
Feeling cold.
traditional roti in Peshawar.
Peshawar.
Yeah,
Okay.
Peshawar is a place where you get the most authentic mutton and chicken.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
and if you want to eat lamb chops, then Toshedan.
Okay.
It's near your place, financial district.
Oh, okay.
And for all other mutton starters and chicken, Golden Pavilion. అబ్బా నువ్వు రెండు పనులు చేయాలి.
Okay.
ఒకటి విజయవాడలో ఫస్ట్ డే ఫస్ట్ షో పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ సినిమా చూడాలి,
Okay.
ఆర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ సినిమా,
Okay.
ఎనీ గుడ్ ఫిల్మ్ విజయవాడ లేకపోతే గుంటూరులో చూడాలి.
Okay.
రెండు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ట్రిప్లెస్ లో ఇడ్లీ తినాలి.
Vijayawada, this is?
ట్రిప్లెస్ అనే ప్లేస్ లో ఓన్లీ ఇడ్లీ సర్వ్ చేస్తారు, ఇంకేం
Oh,
ఉండదు.
I think I might be going to Vijayawada for a shoot. I will do that.
అవునా?
Yeah.
There's only idli.
I might
Nothing
be going
else.
for Swayambhu, so I'll probably do that.
Oh, arey, how's that coming up?
It's
What can you
amazing.
tell us about that? Swayambhu?
I'm playing a classical dancer.
Oh wow. Wow.
My look is amazing in the film, and I'm looking the best in the film because we have Senthil Sir, and we have Nikhil killing it, and we have gorgeous sets. Drama is coming out very nicely, and the director is amazing. He's like very knowledgeable. So yeah, it is coming out very well, man.
ఇప్పుడు జనరల్ గా ప్రతి రోల్, నో మ్యాటర్ విచ్ రోల్, సమ్ హోంవర్క్ దట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ కదా.
Yeah.
Now you're not married, you're anywhere not close to a relationship, okay, you're not that kind of a girl. Now how did you do your homework for that kind of a role where you're
Arey, you know what? You think something about darling, but it is not.
Oh.
Whatever you think, that is not. That's the speciality about this film. You come to the theaters, you will get surprised. Because when I listen to the script,
Mm-hmm.
Director Ashwin,
Mm-hmm.
he actually like acted it out, and is one of the best narration I've heard in my life. And this was the time where I was actually contemplating నేను ఎలాంటి సినిమాలు చేయాలి, because నేను ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని రకాల సినిమాలు చేసేసా.
Correct.
This is going to be my 10th film.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this is going to be my 10th
Nice.
film. I've done commercial films, I've done content films and everything. But నేను మళ్ళీ సినిమాలకి జనాల ముందు వస్తున్నానంటే నేను ఏదో ఒకటి I wanted to like,
కొంచెం
because
impact.
no, not just that, not కొంచెం impact, more impact.
Ah.
Not కొంచెం and all that.
You
This is
don't
more
like కొంచెం
impact.
only.
I do not like కొంచెం. Nothing little in life anymore.
Absolutely.
People are like loving content. People want audience. People want their actors to do something, put their real stuff out.
So true.
That time I heard this story somewhere, I'm like, నాకు నేను థాలీ నాన్ వెజ్ థాలీ దొరికితే చాలు అనుకుంటే ఇప్పుడు మెహవిల్ కా బిర్యానీ దొరికింది నాకు, విత్ డబుల్ కా మీఠా ప్లస్ ఏప్రికాట్ డిలైట్ ప్లస్
Wow.
ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దట్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఐవ్ లైక్ done in this film. I've done, I think I for me, I feel this is my best film till date.
Arey wow.
Yeah.
I'm super glad you got
And
to do what you.
and you have to go and watch.
Can you say Jay Balaya?
Jai Balaya.
No. Jay Balaya is an emotion. You have
Yes.
to Jay Balaya.
I told it in front in the
Ah. Where?
clubs.
Acha. Avuna?
Hey, everybody says no.
Yeah. But did you get it the first time that you're here in a pub and then people were shouting Jay Balaya?
I've not gone too much too out, but
Okay. But when you did, you also shouted Jay Balaya.
and I love movies. I love art stars. I'm a proper mass audience, sitting and whistling and hooting. If you go to multiplex also, I'll be hooting.
You know how to whistle, Naba?
I don't know that, but I'll be like, like that.
Got it.
I'll have like throat problem most of the time, but people will be knowing what the hell is happening over there. Who's this girl? అరే ఏంటండి ఇంత ఎలివేషన్ ఉంది, మామూలు ఎలివేషన్ కాదు, అట్లా బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ మ్యూజిక్ ఉంటుంది, వాకింగ్ ఉంటుంది, లైక్ వై ఇస్ దట్ క్యాప్ ఫర్ యూ టు గెట్ ఎనర్జైజ్ అండ్
True,
షౌట్.
absolutely.
Yeah, I love it.
I love the way that you talk about films.
I love films.